Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we will learn and discuss. Today we will learn and solve exercise questions 2 to 5, exercise 8D of chapter 8 of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And if you want to learn and solve more questions of Composite Mathematics textbook and New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook or other textbook, then please visit my website mathsgrade.com and join my Telegram group. Link is in description box. Let's start it and solve some question. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 8D questions 2 to 5 and topic is chapter name is equations and topic is solving two-step equations. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is translate each statement into an equation, then find the number. First bit is 4 times a number increased by 8 equals 24. This is the statement given and we have to write the equation of this statement. Suppose the number, we have to find the number. So suppose the number be x. In the statement given is 4 times a number increased by 8 equals 24. So 4 times means 4 multiplied with that number. Suppose the number is x, so 4 multiplied with x, that is 4x, and increased. Increased means that is plus symbol. Then 4x plus 8 equals 24. This is the equation. We get the equation 4x plus 8 equal to 24. Now we have to solve this equation for the variable x. Now transpose this 4x plus 8 is on left hand side and 24 is on right hand side. Now transpose this number 8 to the right hand side, this plus symbol now change to minus symbol. Now we get 4x equal to 24 minus 8. Now 24 minus 8 is 16. 4x equal to 16. Then 4x equal to 16 we get. Now this 4 multiplied with x, this 4 transposed to the right hand side, this multiplication symbol changed to division symbol. Now we get x equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 16. That is 4 cancel 4, this 16, we get x equal to 4. Now we get x equal to 4. So value for the variable x is 4. So the number, we get the number is x equal to 4. The number is 4. Now we solve question number second bit. 35 less than 6 times a number is equal to 1. This is the statement given and we have to first translate this statement into an equation and we have to solve the value for the variable and find the number. 35 less than 6 times a number. Suppose the number be x. 35 less than 6 times a number. 6 times a number means 6 multiplied with the number that is x, that is 6x. 35 less than, and less than means minus. So 6 times x, 6x minus 35 is equal to 1. Now this minus symbol, 6x minus 35 is on left hand side and 1 is on right hand side. This minus 35 transposed to the right hand side, minus 35 change to plus 35. Now we get 6x equal to 1 plus 35. And 1 plus 35 is 36. Now we get 6x equal to 36. Now 6 multiplied with x. This 6 transposed to the right hand side, this multiplication symbol changed to division symbol. Now we get x equal to 1 divided by 6 multiplied with 36. That is cancelling 6 with 36, we get 6. 6 multiplied with 6 is 36. Now we get x equal to 6. So value for the variable x is 6. So the number is 6. Now we solve question number 3b. I think of a number, divide it by 4 and add 11. The result is 17. This is the statement given and we have to write this statement into an equation and find the number. Let the number be x. Suppose the number is x. I think of a number. Suppose the number is x. Divide it by 4. That is, divide the number by 4. That is x divided by 4. And add the add with 11. That is x divided by 4 plus 11. And the result is 70. That is equal to 17. Here x divided by 4 plus 11 is on left hand side and 17 is on right hand side. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x. Now 11 transpose to the right hand side, this plus 11 change to minus 11, plus change to minus. Now we get x divided by 4 equal to 17 minus 11, and 17 minus 11 is 6. Now we get x divided by 4 equal to 6. 1 divided by 4, x multiplied with 1 divided by 4 is on left hand side and 6 is on right hand side. Now this 1 divided by 4 transpose to the right hand side, this division 1 divided by 4 change to multiplication 4. Division symbol change to multiplication. Now we get x equal to 6 multiplied with 4. 1 divided by 4 change to, transpose to the right hand side, we get multiplication 4. Now we get x equal to 4 multiplied with 6 is 24. That is x equal to 24. So we get value for the variable x is 24. So the number is 24. Now we solve question number 4b. I am an integer. When you multiply me by 2 and subtract minus 10 from me, the result is minus 6. This is the statement given and we have to translate this statement into an equation and find the number. Suppose I am an integer. Suppose the number, that is the number integer be x. Suppose the integer, suppose the number is x. When you multiply me by 2, that is we multiply the number x with 2, that is 2 multiplied with x is 2x, and subtract minus 10 from me. Subtract means minus symbol, minus of minus 10. Subtract minus 10 from me, that is 2x, minus of minus 10 equal to, the result is minus 6, equal to minus 6. 2x minus of minus 10 is on left hand side and minus 6 is on right hand side. Now this minus multiplied with minus is plus. Now we get 2x plus 10 equal to minus 6. 2x plus 10 is on left hand side and minus 6 is on right hand side. Now we get 2x plus 10 equal to minus 6. 2x equal to this plus 10 transpose to the right hand side, this plus symbol change to minus symbol. Now we get 2x equal to minus 6 minus 10, and minus 6 minus 10 is minus 16. Now solve the value for the variable x. We have to, this 2 multiplied with x, this 2 transpose to the right hand side, we get x equal to, multiplication symbol change to division symbol. Now we get x equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplication multiplied with minus 16, and 2 transpose cancelling 2 with 16, we get 8. Now get x equal to minus 8. So the number is minus 8. Now we get 2x equal to minus 16 and 2 multiplied with x, this 2 transpose to the right hand side, this multiplication symbol change to division symbol. So 2 transpose to the right hand side, 2 becomes 1 divided by 2. Now get x equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied with minus 16. and x equal to 2, cancelling 2 with 16, we get 8. Now get x equal to minus 8. So the number is x equal to minus 8. So the number is minus 8. Now we solve question number 50. A number divided by 6 minus 3 equals 12. Suppose the number is x, the number divided by 6. So it will be x divided by 6 minus of minus 3. X divided by 6 minus of minus 3 equal to 12. Now this minus symbol multiplied with minus symbol, that is plus symbol. X divided by 6 plus 3 equal 12. Now this plus x divided by 6 plus 3 is on left hand side and 12 is on right hand side. Now this plus 3 transposed to the right hand side, this plus symbol changed to minus symbol. Now we get x divided by 6 equal to 12 minus 3, and 12 minus 3 is 9. Now we get x divided by 6 equal to 9. We get x divided by 6 equal to 9. Now this x multiplied with 1 divided by 6 equal to 9. This 1 divided by 6 transposed to the right hand side, this division symbol changed to multiplication symbol. Now 1 divided by 6 changed to 6. Now we get x equal to 6 multiplied with 9. And 6 multiplied with 9 is 54. So the number is 54. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is a multiple choice question. The question is the solution of the equation x divided by 4 plus 10 equal to minus 4 is, first option is minus 56, second is 56, third is 24, or fourth option is minus 24. From these 4 equations, which is the solution of this equation? We have given the equation is x divided by 4 plus 10 equal to minus 4. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for this variable x. Now x divided by 4 plus 10, this plus 10 transposed to the right hand side, this plus symbol changed to minus symbol. Now we get x divided by 4 equal to minus 4 minus 10, and minus 4 minus 10 is minus 14. Now we get x divided by 4 equal to minus 14. Now this division 4 transposed to the 1 divided by 4 transposed to the right hand side, this 1 divided by 4 changed to multiplication 4. Now we get x equal to 4 multiplied with minus 14, and 4 multiplied with minus 14 is minus 56. Now we get x equal to minus 56, and the solution for this equation is minus 56. So the option A is correct. Option A is correct. The solution of this equation x divided by 4 plus 10 equal to minus 4 is minus 56. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.